Okay, the next soup is a brothy soup. Now here's a tip for you. You can add different kinds of the amino. You can use Bragg's liquid amino, you can use coconut amino, or you can just use a soy sauce, even a gluten-free soy sauce. So let's get making this soup. Okay, 4 cups of that yummy veggie broth or veggie broth that you have in a pot or in a steamer if you choose. About a teaspoon of fresh chopped ginger and 1 garlic clove crushed, and then as much hot pepper as you like. Some people like hot pepper paste. I like fresh hot pepper. And then a thinly sliced carrot. Put that to the side with a thinly sliced bok choy as well. And 2 green onions chopped thinly. And I have oyster mushroom here and some shiitake. Those are really delicious and hearty in there, in the soup, like a meat consistency. Then you can use the liquid amino or soy sauce and rice vinegar or coconut vinegar and add that in there. And then it's ready to heat. So heat it until a boil on medium high. And then you want to take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot and 2 tablespoons of water and mix that up and make sure the water's cold. And then go ahead and add the rest of those veggies in there and then cook until tender. Now, if you like tofu, go ahead and add some thinly sliced firm tofu. And I like to top it off with some chopped up nori sheet, some seaweed, and some pepper. And then enjoy the soup. I just throw a little bit of nori in there. I love seaweed in the soup. I think it really adds something. Wasn't that just amazing? Now again, remember to head on over to the Master Food Artist and download that Smoothie Obsession, and it's got a lot of little surprises in there and you'll really like that. And share and like this video, and until next time, I am hoping that I brought out the best in you and your food, and I loves you.